Hello everyone. Now we are going to the concept power. So what is power? Power is defined as the rate of doing work. So what is power, children? Definition: the rate of doing work. So what do you mean by the term rate? Rate means something related to time. So can we convert this statement into a mathematical relation? So we can write the rate of doing work or the rate of expending energy. So power is equal to work by time. Or we can say that power is equal to energy by time. So there are two equations. Either power is equal to work by time or power is equal to energy by time. So these are the equations that you have to note in mind. Now we will study the unit of power. So tell me, what is the unit of work or energy? The unit of work or energy is joule. So when we write the unit of power, the unit of work or energy is joule and the SI unit of time is second. So what will be the unit corresponding to power? It will be joule per second. You know, there is a scientist called James Watt who had carried out a lot of experiments on the basis of energy conversions. So in order to honor him, this joule per second is called watt. So that is abbreviated as W. So power is equal to, the unit of power is joule per second and this joule per second is equal to watt. So I may ask you a funny question. What is the unit of power? You can say, what is the unit of power? So listen children. Now we are going to define what is 1 watt. So what is 1 watt? 1 watt is the energy of a body or a machine which can deliver an energy of 1 joule in 1 second. So what is the SI unit of power? It is watt. So what is 1 watt? 1 watt is the power of a machine or a body which can deliver or which does a work of 1 joule in 1 second, or which can deliver an energy of 1 joule in 1 second. Have you heard about another higher unit of power? Have you heard about the term HP? What do you mean by HP? HP is horsepower. What do you mean by horsepower? It is the higher unit of power. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. This is an additional information for you because there are so many machines. When you take the case of an electric motor, when you go to a shop, they will ask, what is the HP of the motor that you need? So 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. That means that it can deliver 746 joule in 1 second. That's all the concept of unit of power. Let us continue with the concept of commercial unit of electrical energy. When you receive a bill from the electricity board, you always say that the current bill has come. You never say in your common life that energy bill has come. Actually, for what we are paying? We are paying for the energy that we use in our household circuits or in factories. So now we will study what is the commercial unit of electrical energy. So we know that we usually use joule as the unit of energy. So children, let us understand what is the need of a higher unit of energy for our commercial purposes? So let us take an example. There is a machine of 1500 watts working for some 4 hours a day. So 4 hours means into 60 when converted into seconds, right? 4 hours into 60, it will come into minutes, into 60, it will be seconds. So this watt into second. So we know that watt is equal to joule per second. So when we multiply this watt by second, we will get joule. So we have a 1500 watt machine working for 4 hours. So what is the energy in joule? It will be 15 into 4 into 6 into 6 into followed by these 2 zeros plus 2 zeros here, followed by, what is it, a number with 4 zeros. Look children, how much big this numerical quantity is. So when we are with our electricity or energy bill in joule, there will be so many zeros at the trailing end. If the final output or the final joule or energy given to you in the bill. So this is an inconvenient thing for you. So what we have to do is that we usually have to opt for a higher unit of electrical energy for commercial purposes. So children, you have to understand what is the commercial unit of electrical energy. So now I am going to introduce the commercial unit of electrical energy. The commercial unit of electrical energy is is 1 kilowatt hour. Electrical energy, it is kilowatt hour. So what do you mean by this kilowatt hour? So what is it? Power. If you want to get energy, we have to multiply the unit of power with the unit of time. So in order to get a higher unit of energy, we are taking the power in kilowatt and we are taking the time in hour. So once again, what is the commercial unit of electrical energy? It is kilowatt hour. So somebody asks you, how much kilowatt hour is joule? How much kilowatt hour is joule? Sometimes a question may be asked to you. Convert the commercial unit of electrical energy to the SI unit. What is the commercial unit of electrical energy? Kilowatt hour. What is the SI unit of electrical energy? It is joule. So a question can be asked to you. Convert the commercial unit of electrical energy, that is 1 kilowatt hour, to joule. So what is 1 kilowatt hour written as? 1 into, what do you mean by kilowatt? It is 1000 watt. Okay. So then how is 1 hour converted? It is 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. So how is 1 hour converted? 1 into 60 into, we have to convert it into second. So in order to get it in joule, it should be watt second. So 1 kilowatt is 1000 watt. 1 hour is 60 into 60 seconds. So what we get it as 36. 6 into 6 is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 36 into 10 raised to 5 or 3.6 into 10 raised to 5, 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 watt second. And you know what is watt second? It is 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. This is the way of converting the commercial unit of electrical energy to its SI unit. So, in the next class, we will be coming with amazing numericals for you from the work power energy session, since we have completed the theory of this chapter. See you again for the numerical session. Thank you, children.